very good morning, dear children. Today I'll be explaining you lesson number 20, the past and present of the grammar book. What is a tense? Tense is a change of form in a verb to express the time of an action. It is based on the time frame. The verb tenses may be categorized according to the time frame, that is present tense, past tense and future. But children, we'll be doing present tense and past tense in this chapter. So children, it goes by the clock. See, you can see the past, the present and the future clock. The simple past tense describe actions and states that began and ended at a specific time in the past. Children, the simple past tense describe that what the action was done in the past. That whatever we have done in the past, it tells us about that. It tells us about the action that has already taken place before only, and it expresses the actions in the past. Why do we use past tense verbs? It tells us that an action is completed, finished and over. What has been done yesterday? We talk about that. Now a few examples of this, like we talk. Talk is in the present form. But when we have talked about something, it goes to the past. So laugh. We laugh. It is in present. We laughed at that the action has already been taken place in the past. So it is past. Pull. Pull will become pulled. Similar way, travel, washed and cooked. Now, talking about the present tense of the verb, the present tense of the verb is the base form of the verb when the subject is a singular noun or he, she or it, you. We usually add s to the verb to make it in the present tense form of the verb. The tense of the verb tells when an action takes place, like the bear walks to the honey tree. The bear walked to the honey tree. The bear will walk to the honey tree. That means in the first sentence we are talking that the bear is walking, it's in the present tense, and the second sentence tells us that he has already walked, that the sentence is in the past tense. And when we are talking about the third one, will walk, it becomes the future tense. The present tense tells us of a verb, names or action that happens regularly. It can also express a general truth, like the mountains are tall and white. This is unchanging action. Every year, the school council elects new members. This is reoccurring. And H2O is the chemical symbol for water, that it is widespread truth. The present form also tells us about the things which are in the journal truth form. See, now if we see present tense in singular and plural form, I visit, we visit, you visit, and in the plural also it will become you visit. He, she or it visit. Then it will be changed in the plural form with the word they, that we are talking about so many people. We have come to know that verbs come in three tenses: past, present and future. The past is used to describe things that have already happened. For example, earlier in the day, yesterday, last week or 3 years ago. The present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now or things that are continuous going on. And we always use, children, remember that to change the word into past, we use ed with the word, and to change the word into the present, we use s form of the verb. Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.